Ki nas ki badai ki nongshakri Paidbah na ka benda ka koit ka khiah ki badon hapo ka Southwest Khas Hills District benda ka sngi ka khanyau terik ujemang arjar arpusau kelayo ban rakhe lekmen ya ka sngi karpang jungki ka balatip kum ka nurse days haka babu ro ya kapang our future our nurses the economic power of care haka ni kasngi kalayo bantang ya umomati bat ot ya ukek kum kadag jong ka jing rakhe nangkong ya kani kasngi karpang jong ki nurse hapo ka Southwest Khas Hills District bat pliru ya ka perda jong ka dur jong ka Florence Nightingale ka badai ka nurse ban nangkong haka prathai ka balatrei shitam met ban mansim ban ai ka jing sumare ka nongpang ki ba mansawa ka tmaba baar jong ka prathai hagani kasngi lai don langru da district health medical officer u Dr. FR Lartang ka kong Victorious Emily kum ka sembut kongsan harangkat ka jing don lang ki nurse bat ki nongtrei jong ka tanat ka koit ka khiah hagani kasngi la yoru ban penlong ya kejing ya lekai baper kum kejing ya tan telai kejing kini suki ya thain snyu ya kop mare semjan marble race penpat balon bat la yoru ban ai snobha ya ki nongjob hakini kasngi kejing ya lekai baper
Always show your happy face with smile. Your smiling face, your soft words and soft hands bring relief to the patient and gladness to the attendants, and they will respect you. I want to suggest also that apart from the duty as a nurse, you can involve in the extra activities also. That hospital duty, CSC duty, sub-center duty is 24-hour duty. But it doesn't mean that the same staff will remain on duty for 24 hours. But it is always in a divided time. So you can do your extra work also for other purposes. Refresh your mind. You can exchange your duty among yourself, but that it should be done by the knowledge and the permission of the authority. Use your time carefully. Nothing can obstruct you to do if you do it wisely. Use the time wisely. Never leave your duty empty, but finish your duty. I want to share my experiences in my life. I have involved in many extra activities during my service. I was the president of Village Women Organization. I was the secretary of the Village Water Sanitation Committee. I was the member of Juvenile Justice Board, Southwest Khas Hills. I was also the member of Inspection Committee, Southwest. conferred in the 1973 in India. The first two awards from Meghalaya was in 1976, and the name of the recipient are Srimati Emmeline Khan and Srimati Ivory Kodor Watlan. Until the year 2021, there were about 21 nurses from Meghalaya in the different categories who received the award. It is very happy if the award can be conferred by the district or the state government. The state government Meghalaya has not noticed this till today. Nursing profession is a very tough job. We are facing many ups and downs, dealing with doctors, paramedical, fourth grade staff, patient and public. We are the bridge between all of them. And if we work, or if the work is not done properly, we are to be blamed. So I urge you all nurses, be honest with your job, work hard with sincerity, be punctual with the time, complete your duty within the stipulated time, and don't argue with the extra time if needed.
Now faces several difficulties, as we know, such as excess workload and understaffed, which may lead to burnout and elevate the level of stress. Their work also includes seeing patients and relatives who suffer so many severe diseases and sometimes end of life care also. Everyone has to die. So my request is nurses at the time when at the end of life care, they should do it in such a noble way, such a way that the patient and relatives will feel that they feel that they are very well cared of. So this is, but at the same time, this is stress. Seeing all the patient, not the patient, the family was stressed, family suffers, and patient dies is not very easy. But I think we have to learn to handle this situation. It was our job to handle this. So good health care creates healthy people. We know before, like in the previous years, someone really cannot go to some areas. So many infections are there, so many malaria, so many things. Now with good healthcare thing, we can go to those places where before we can't go. And think like if we fall sick also, we with the healthcare, our loss of working days are very less. So this is very healthcare has improved the quality of life. Healthcare makes healthy society, and healthy society create a healthy economy. That is one reason why our nurses are our future. We go back to the point highlighted before. The importance of nursing in healthcare is no doubt. We have no doubt about that. For centuries, people recognize it. There's increasing caste link for nurses, and there are many specializations for nurses now. The importance of nurses or nursing has increased. Besides the healthcare has ventured into psychiatric healthcare, geriatric healthcare, social healthcare, and preventive care, and so on. And this has increased importance of nurses and doctors. There are many other services and run in healthcare now. This deal week aims to highlight the importance of nurses in health sector, and it gives opportunity to thank nurses for their efforts, for taking care of the patients around the globe. So thank you all. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to thank you. I'm very grateful to you for all the hard work and sacrifices. Thank you very much for choosing this profession for your, and your contribution to the society. The theme for the theme this year for International Nurses Week is our day, is our nurses, our future, and the economic power of care. This is my have to write, although I have to speak for 1 hour. That's why to limit my speech. So this year International Day aims to reshape the perception of nursing. That's what the people decided maybe in the top area. So reshape the perception of nursing and demonstrating how strategic investment in nursing can bring considerable economic and societal benefit to society. Despite the backbone of healthcare, nurses often face financial constraints, and the role is sometimes often undervalued. Beyond providing basic care, nurses play a crucial role in patients' education and play a crucial role as a mediator between the patient and the patient and doctors, patient other healthcare. Not only with that, say they can play a role in the patient and the government and maybe the healthcare on private healthcare owner. Occasion to be a chief guest, and I'm very proud to be with you, and especially with Convict, who is like as we know, she is a national recipient. It's very good that as this one nurse with this area got national award. Congratulations, Convict, for the services we have done to our district and to the Media as a whole, posting Northern and Shillong also. So this is a great achievement. So I request all of you to follow her footsteps, to be active in her service, your service, so that you get the same achievement. So as Kong said, maybe we'll try to do some next year or something, some district award or district award. So is with your with your option, I think that may be possible. Again, thank you very much for calling me to this meeting, and I wish this celebration should continue every year, and maybe your children will improve and do many other things like training and all for the nurses in the district. So now I'll say a few words in this meeting. So this challenge and try to learn how to navigate the new environment. Otherwise, if you don't try to learn with new changes and new environment, you might face problem. So the term investment in nursing may mean creating more nursing schools, both basic and specialized, for the government and private sector. It's very good. So if without private healthcare, I think we'll not have sufficient nurses in there. In Mawkyrwat or in other parts of the country maybe. But if the number of nursing colleges are increasing with our plan, the chance is that immediate unemployment and lower the wages due to excess number of nurses. The term investment may mean to improve the quality of nursing also by improving the improvement of skills and raise the standard of skills by creating more specialization and upgrade the level of knowledge, which is good and challenging. But we need at the same time to take care of physical and mental well-being and well-being of the healthcare worker, including nurses, so they can balance the professional, the personal, and the family life. So we must remember that, as Kombik also said, we must remember that as we are doing our job to to serve others and earn our living. Just remember to balance our family and personal life so we can live our life and the quality of life will be good. Thank you very much. Best wishes to you all. Thank you.